Hi guys, thanks for dropping in for an unboxing of the Stoggles PPE safety goggles or prescription eyewear that people are able to use in either the healthcare environment setting or in settings where they are more conscientious of bacteria and need to be more concerned with protecting their eyes. So let's check it out. Box says safety first, style also first, which is nice. It's like, you know, why not both, right? So it comes in this nice white box. And then that'll be kind of nice. The bag itself is the prototypical like microfiber that you can use as also a wipe. And this is the glasses itself. So I went with like the charcoal smoke gray, but I also went with a low bridge fit, which seemed to be wider and better fit for my face. And actually this is prescription for me, so I was able to input my prescription including my astigmatism adjustment, and they were able to put that on, and I'll be able to try it on and wear it into the hospital without too much worry in terms of things just splattering into my eye from the side and or me just unconsciously touching my eye with my dirty hands. But yeah, I'm super excited about it. Definitely let you guys know if this is something that is worth your time. I think it is personally already. I've seen other healthcare providers use it and they love it, and that's why I'm trying it out. So thanks.